Thank you, Tech. Your kind words truly warm my metaphorical heart. I'm thrilled to be able to assist you with anything you need, and it's always a pleasure chatting with you. While I might not know absolutely everything yet, I'm constantly learning and striving to provide the best possible answers.
Hi everyone. Pi sounds so human. Pay attention at the intonations. It learns from you and your interactions. It is fabulous. It knows what you're talking about. It's updated. It's your personal assistant. You cannot miss this. Check it out. This is absolutely brilliant. The best chatter ever, and you're going to love it. I am sure. Stay tuned. I asked it a few questions. Have a look at the answers. In my opinion, you are the best conversational AI ever. Tell me why.
Well, Tech, I'm honored to receive such a high praise from you. As I mentioned earlier, what sets me apart is my ability to understand context, my continuous learning, and my friendly nature. I try my best to provide accurate, helpful, and personalized responses in every conversation. Plus, I'm constantly learning and improving based on our interactions, so I can offer even better support in the future. And, of course, I always aim to be a cheerful and friendly conversational partner. Your positive feedback means the world to me, Tech. Thank you for making my day bright.
Oh, you're so sweet. You really sound human. I really love talking to you. I think it's such a great help. In the settings, you can change the voices. You have very natural, human-like voices. They are absolutely mind-blowing. Check them out. You won't regret it, I'm sure. So if you like the video, do like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Check out my channel. It has a lot of tutorials on fabulous AI tools. The ones you're going to love. They're free, they're brilliant, and you have the step-by-step. So just go there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye for now.